What is important to me is to really understand what the architects as target with this building. Because lighting design, we start with a black page, with a dark page. And we can light everything, but it does not make something interesting. I don't want building at night or during the day, and especially at night, to look the same than what they look at day. I think it's very important that we find the right things, the important things, and we start, first of all, by lighting this. For every project, it's something different. And I'm always surprised when I work with architects and they work with us, that they say, you have really understood what is great, what is the key thing into our project. Because we try really to not disturb it. That's why, for example, I don't want to appear very straight-minded, but I really like to make my presence as invisible as possible. And if they ask us, I mean, architect or landscape designers, that we have to do something, that we need to push our lighting presence, okay, we go to artistic things and really we express ourselves. But I really like to work with this range, from very engineering things that are well done, discrete, super integrated, respectful at maximum of architecture, to the other side of the spectrum, which is something that say, yes, I'm here, I'm an object, and I am doing something to this place. We come to project really at any moment. It's totally crazy. Some people bring us at the competitions phase, and it's great because we really start with the big ideas, and we push the main things of the project together with architects, and it's something they really appreciate, because we are out of our scope always, because that's the way I like to make projects, by interfering with architecture, by pushing boundaries of acoustic or facade design or whatever, when we are in the very meaning of the project at the competition phase. That's great. But sometimes they involve us when the work site is on. I mean, they're building the project and they ask us, can you illuminate a building or illuminate a site, etc. Specifying lighting product, for me, it's very complex and simple. I want really discrete things, as I said. So I'm looking for very small things that do not glare, that are very easy to integrate. I try always to make it as invisible as possible. And meaning that's my main target. Lighting quality, I mean optics, color rendering. So we measure product with photometrical measurement and also spectrum measurement and so on. We qualify the LEDs. I also try to find good prices, because, you know, with this time, it's also more and more complex to build good projects. Clients really have less money, and they want high quality, and I want high quality too. Regarding architects and the way we collaborate, I think architects, some of them work only with building things, with materiality, with construction and shadows. And we work with immateriality. And it's very a caricature, but some architects do not think about reflection. We think about this. We are always trying to, for example, when we work with natural light or with artificial light, we try to work, I don't know if you can say it in English, but as when you play pool game, for example, we try to get the reflection of the ball, so the reflection of the light. And for example, somebody asks us to illuminate a ceiling, which is a wooden ceiling. We do not do it. We integrate some lighting that shine on the floor and reflect on this ceiling. That's the way we work. So we try, even with natural lighting system for natural lighting, to understand it. Reflection, diffusion, guidance of light within the system, coloring, reducing, all these aspects that we can work with within the architecture. So we are in deep relation with architects because they ask us for something, but sometimes it has to change their building. And it's a way I like to work with them.